Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, I hope you are doing fine and great. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to a very exciting latest AI tool. If you have anything to do with AI, you must have heard the name Andrew Norwig, and he is at the forefront of developing AI applications for general audience. He has recently launched a new platform known as LandingAI, and it is one of the amazing platform I've seen so far. So in this video, we are going to go to this platform and test it. I have heard that it can understand any kind of document that you can give to it. Whether this document, which is quite blurry, you can't understand anything, whether this one, which has some map or architectural plan in it, or a very simple one, just like some blood report. So dear learners, let's go. So to try the APIs that Andrew Norvig and his company has made, you have to go to this web link, which is va.landing.ai. For the first time when you will be here, you will be asked to sign up. You can sign up using your Google account and you will end up on this page. Currently, these two APIs are available. However, both of these can be tried online. In today's video, I'm going to go with this agentic document extraction API. And this is one of the amazing things I have seen so far in the AI field. So click on it. Over here, you can drop any JPEG, PNG or PDF file, and this API will start doing wonders. Okay, so let's try it with different documents. You can either drop it over here or you can upload as well. So I'm going to upload, and here are three files which I have downloaded from the internet. They are of varying complexity and they have different kind of data in them. The first one is the easiest one, so let's start with it. It is a sample complete blood report of a dummy person, and you can see that it has extracted everything out of this document and it is written over here. So it has created the table which is present over here, and it has extracted all the text as well. As this document was computer generated, so it was quite easy for any AI tool to extract this kind of information. But the things will get interesting. Over here you can see a chat feature. So I'm going to go over here and I can chat with this document as well. For example, what's the name of the patient? So it has given me the name and it has also given me the reference. So I can click on it and this cell will be highlighted that it is taking this information from this cell. Okay. Is the blood report normal? Let's see what it says. No, the blood report is unfortunately not normal. Several values are flagged as abnormal. And here are the values. And it is giving me the references as well. So if I click on it, you can see that this value is abnormal. Then its units are there. Then again, this value is abnormal. And all these values are abnormal. And you can see that all the yellow highlighted values which are abnormal for this patient, it is only picking up those values. Uh, give me some normal values of this patient. Okay, so some normal values of this patient include white blood cell, platelet count, mean platelet, and all these things. And we can see that over here, there is a normal value, then over here, and there are several others. So it has perfectly picked all the normal values. We can ask something else as well. For example, what is the reference range of RBC and how much of is this patient? So the reference value for RBC is this much and the reference is over here. Yes, this is the RBC and this is the reference, and the patient RBC is 1.8. Its reference is over here, which is 2.9 to 4.3 units below the reference range. So I guess this is amazing. I haven't seen anything like this. So let's move on to some other complex document. What about this financial sheet, which is quite blurry? I have downloaded it from Google. It is some sample financial sheet of a company. Let's see what this tool does with it. Okay, so it has extracted all the data. Here is the image file, which I've downloaded, and you can see that I'm zooming it, and you can see that how blurry it is. Now we need to make sure whether it has extracted the right values from here or not. For example, the first one is, I guess it is written cash and equivalents. So let's see what it has extracted. So the very first thing is cash and equivalents. Great. And now the opening balance this year, it is 3882508. And you can see that over here, it is 3882508. Maybe over here it is 6, but I can't be sure. So maybe it is right, 388502508. That's great. Let's check some other things. Mm, I guess this other current assets, it's quite blurry. So let's see what it has done with it. So let's see whether it has figured it out or not. Yes, other current assets. You can see that it has figured it out. Okay, once again, we can talk to it and ask several questions. For example, it has already given me some example prompts. For example, what is the total closing balance of current assets? And I can ask, it has figured out it to be this, and the reference is over here. Which is the most bad performing thing? The most poorly performing item appear to be retained earnings under owner's equity, with a closing balance of this, which is the largest negative value in the trial balance, and the reference is over here. So that's great, and we can ask as many questions as we want, and you can see that the original image is over here. You can see the quality of the image, but still this agentic AI document reader, it has extracted most of the numbers quite perfectly, and you can ask any question related to the sheet from it. That's simply amazing. Okay, let's move on to another kind of document. Now I am uploading an architectural map of a house. Let's see what it does over here. So it is doing something. Okay, so it has extracted some text. That's not so great, but I guess we don't need it. So we can directly go to the chat. Okay, I'm going to ask how many bedrooms are there and what are their sizes. I don't know if. Oh, so there are four bedrooms. The sizes are bed 1 is 4.4 into 4.2. Where is bed 1? Oh, over here. This is bed 1. Then bed 2. There is bed 2, 4.3 into 3.0. Perfect. Bed 3 is 4.3 into 3.0. Once again, perfect. And bed 4, which is 3.4 into 3.3. That's great. That's perfect. Oh my God. So, okay, let me ask some other questions. How many washrooms are there? There are two washrooms. One is the ENS and suite, and it is over here. And the other one is the main bathroom, and it is over here. What furniture is there in bed 1? Bed 1 is furnished with a bed and two side tables. That's great. I guess it missed this table over here. It is some sort of a table, but it missed it. But that's great. Okay. Are there any stairs? Yes, there are stairs marked down in the central part of the plan. So over here, you can see that down is mentioned DN, and the stairs are over here. Oh my God. Oh, what is the largest room in the house? And what is its area in square units? Oh my God. The largest room in the house is the activity area. Oh, it is over here, which measures 5.1 into 3.9, giving an area of the square units. Dear learners, you can see that what this tool can do, it can extract any information, literally any information. So the APIs are available. Currently, you can try them for free on this web link, but you can purchase them as well. They have their pricing plan over here. But believe me, I haven't seen anything like this. It is going to be a game changer in document reading and analysis. No matter how complex, how blurry, how jagged document you give to it, it extracts every kind of information from it. That's truly amazing. So, dear learners, I hope you have enjoyed this video and you have learned this amazing tool. I will request you to please try it and try to learn from it and use it in developing your applications. Till the next time, take care and goodbye.